Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone 17 Pro Max that will not turn on or it does not turn on for you. You want to follow these steps to quickly fix it and get it back on working. So let's get started. Now you are going to follow this method, which is you are going to be quickly pressing and releasing the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down button one after another in a sequence, and then hold on to the side button until the screen shows Apple logo. So again, I'm going to be doing this volume up, volume down, and then I press and hold on to that side button just like that, and I'm going to be keep on holding until I see the Apple logo, and then I will let go the side button. Keep in mind you want to try this method for a few times until you can get it. And when you are doing it, what I would recommend is beforehand to charge your phone at least 30 minutes or keep it charging while you are doing this method. And what you should notice is something came up on the screen. Whether it's a dead battery or the phone loading up, it will be a good sign. If it's a dead battery, just let it charge and it will automatically turn on. And if you see the Apple logo, great, let it just simply restart itself. And this is known as a force restarting. You can do it as many times as you need without losing any of your data. And again, all I did was quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then you hold on to that side button just like that. And if your phone was dead, there is a black screen and it won't turn on, you will follow these steps. It will hopefully work for you. And this is Apple #1 troubleshooting step when it comes to fixing any software related issues or even some hardware related issue. I hope your phone is fixed and now it will be working. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone 17 on iOS 26. We will see you guys in the next time. Peace. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to update the time and date on your iPhone on iOS 26. So let's get started. Now, if you are looking to update this time and date on your phone, the first thing is you are going to go into your settings, and then in the main settings, we are going to scroll down to general. Now in general, scroll a little bit further where you have date and time. So you are going to tap on that. And by default, your phone automatically set the date and time based on your zone and whatever the network you are connected to. However, if you like to change that, you can turn off the set automatically, and then we can change the date if we like. So we can change it to whatever date we want here. Additionally, we can also change the time here by doing the scroll up and down time, minutes, and then PM or AM. Keep in mind when you do change this right, you can also change a time zone. So if you are in the wrong time zone, let's say I'm in the wrong time zone, I can pick one of them, maybe a different time zone that I'm in. So I'm going to be picking my time zone, and now as you can see here, the date and time can be updated based on the time zone as well. Or you can manually also change it. But it is very important that you want to keep this time to be the current time, because certain services will stop working on your iPhone if the time and the date is not correct. So make sure set correctly if you are manually setting them. But ideally you want to set them automatically, as that way there is no issue you may experience. But if you do decide to update them manually, you can do it as well. So I'm going to be keeping it automatically, but you are going to change it according to your liking. And that's how would you change the date and time on your device. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I will be showcasing you how to use the dual capture on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. So dual capture finally allow you to record both the front and the rear facing camera at the same time in the default camera app. So let's begin the video. The first thing which you need to do is to open up your camera and then tap on video. If you swipe up, you will see the option dual capture, or you can see a 6-dot button option on the top right corner of the device. Tap on that and a menu will pop up and you can see the dual capture button there. Now you can tap on the dual capture button and you will see it brings up the front facing camera and the rear facing camera at the same time. Now using this camera, you can record both the front and the rear facing camera at the same time, which is pretty amazing. And also you have the option to change the front facing camera positioning from corner to corner. As you can see in here, I'm doing that. Now, if you record that button, both the cameras are going to be recording at the same time. And also in the rear facing camera, you can change the zoom. One thing you should know that if you change the front facing camera positioning to different location, when you stop the recording and see it in the gallery, you will notice that the camera position has been changed in there. So take this in account while recording the dual capture on your device. So guys, this is the simplest method through which you can use the dual capture on your iPhone 17 series devices. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to download and install the apps on your iPhone 17 series by following these steps. So let's get started. The first thing which you want to do is to make sure that you are connected to internet through either your Wi-Fi, which will work the best, or the cellular data. But you will need to be connected to internet first. The next thing which you are going to do is to go ahead and find the App Store, which is default app on your iPhone, and go ahead and open it up. And once you open it up, you might see a menu like this. You are going to tap on this profile icon and make sure you are signed into your Apple account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free by following these steps or sign in to the existing one. But Apple account is required in order to download any apps. Now, with this requirement met, all you are going to do is to come below in the browse for apps that you want to install. For example, I go and search for, let's say, for example, I wanted to download the HBO Max. And I will see the word get. I'm going to go ahead and tap on it. And then after that, it is going to say install. Click on install, and then you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now, all I did was enter my Apple ID password for this account. I'm going to hit confirm. You might also be prompted to double click on the side button, or you have an option to save it. It doesn't matter. Or you might be also again prompted to do a Face ID verification. Now it is being downloaded, and I can exit out of this or download another app, and you will see in the home screen the app is being downloaded and installed at the same time. If you don't see it on the home screen, try to swipe to the very last page under recently added. You can also find the app there. So guys, that's how you can download and install any app on your iPhone 17 series. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to use the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 17 series on the latest iOS 26 variant. So let's get started. The first thing is that you are going to open up your settings, and then you want to connect to internet through either your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. I will recommend Wi-Fi will work best for you. After that, in your settings, scroll a bit further. You are going to see Apple Intelligence and Siri. You are going to go ahead and click on that, and this is where the Apple Intelligence toggle is available. So if you want to turn it on, just simply press the toggle button. What's going to happen is it's going to be downloading the support file for the Apple Intelligence. As it say here, connect to Wi-Fi and power. So make sure you also have the enough charge on your iPhone, at least a good amount of charge. If it's under 20%, you want to charge it while you are doing this. And you are going to wait for this to appear. Sometimes it might tell you to join waitlist depending upon if there is a waitlist. But you should see here it start downloading. And then you also want to make sure you turn on Siri if you haven't done. So click on Siri. You are going to either use the first option or the second option. And then we are going to go with the first one here, enabled Siri. Then press next, and on the next hit continue, and basically go through the process. Siri, how is the weather? Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. And now Siri is ready. And we are going to go ahead. If you want to share your recording, I usually don't, so press on continue. And now you should see Apple Intelligence here. Should be downloaded, ready to go. I can press and hold on this to go ahead and activate the Siri. Or if I don't, you can always go ahead and press the side button here, or you can say, hey Siri, and as you can see, when the borders are lightening up, here essentially activate the Siri and it's processing with the Apple Intelligence. Now, if you don't see the borders and you see just the Siri icon, that means you haven't turned on the Apple Intelligence. So guys, that's how you can use this, and you can go ahead and start interacting with it and issues command like you should with the iPhone with this Apple Intelligence turned on with Siri. There is also a feature here with the ChatGPT if you wanted to use that as well, which can be a part of this. As you can see, your Siri and other features can use to answer questions. You can go ahead and set it up if you have this account. If you have a personal account, you hit next and then enable it and go through the process. Now, by default, it's going to be free one. It's a limit. And if you want to upgrade to the plus one, you can. And that will integrate with your phone. So guys, that is how you can enable the Apple Intelligence on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned. And you guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your Wi-Fi connectivity issue on your iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max devices. So let's get started. The first thing which you want to do is to go ahead and pull down the control menu from the top right corner. Put your phone on airplane mode briefly and then turn it off. And then try to reconnect to your Wi-Fi. That does a quick network refresh. So if you are having an issue, go ahead and check that. Now, next thing you can do is that if you are looking to connect to one of the Wi-Fi which you have already connected, just simply go there and click on forget this device. And then go ahead and reconnect to that device again, and that should help as well. Now, if that method is not working, the next step which you want to do is to go ahead into your settings, then general, then scroll down where it says transfer reset iPhone. Click on reset and you want to do a network reset, which will reset all of your saved Wi-Fi and connections that you have ever had. Basically, you reconnect them again. This will not delete any of your data. Simply just going to go ahead and do this for about 10 or 15 second wait. So basically you will see an Apple logo flash deleting all of those Wi-Fi connection and also the Bluetooth connection. You will simply just go ahead and reconnect again when it turns back on. So we are going to go ahead and check to make sure that does that. Again, this method is safe, will not delete any of your data. So we are going to wait here for Apple logo to appear. And now after doing this, if you are still having an issue, the next troubleshooting step would be that you want to check out your VPN. Basically, VPN is known to interfere with the Wi-Fi connection. So I would recommend is going into your settings, go into general, and then you are going to look for your VPN and device management. So if you're using the VPN, here the first thing which is recommended is turning off the VPN and seeing if you can connect with your Wi-Fi or not. Now, if you find that you can connect, it's mostly likely the VPN, and I would recommend that you should delete the VPN. Connect to Wi-Fi, and if that works, then that's good. And if you want to reuse the VPN, go ahead and set it up again. Along with that, it's going to be a bug fix that might be coming out for this. It seems like the VPN on the Wi-Fi on iPhone 17 Pro and the Pro Max does have an issue. So in coming days, you should see in the settings, go to general and then software update, check for that update, which will fix this. Of course, you may have to update your phone through your computer if you cannot do that using your Wi-Fi because it is not connected. But essentially, you want to go ahead and update your phone to fix a bug that is causing the Wi-Fi issues on your iPhone. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question or query, comment down below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone that may be stuck on the setup process on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max devices. So let's get started. So if this happens, this is a step you are going to follow. You are going to go ahead and quickly press and release the volume up and then quickly press and release the volume down and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black. So I'm going to do that volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to this side button and we are going to keep on holding on that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So as you can see here, I'm holding on to that side button and wait until the Apple logo reappears before I let go that side button And once that Apple logo appears, I will let go, and then you are going to be prompted to start over and then set up the phone. Again, that is fine, but this is a step you are going to follow to ensure that it does not happen again, and that's going to be doing a software update on the phone. And you might be wondering, how do I do that? Well, we are going to show you how to set up. So when it comes to setting up your phone, right, instead of moving your data and SIM over right away, set it up without entering any of your data. So you are going to go through each of the prompt where you don't enter your Apple ID, you don't transfer any data, and you are going to go into your main screen. Once you have got to the main screen, here you are going to ensure go into your settings and then go to general and do a software update through your Wi-Fi. The reason why that is, there are some bugs fixing going on with this iOS variant, so we need to go ahead and update it. Once you have updated the iPhone, it's time to reset the phone to factory and then set it up again. So for this, in the settings, you are going to go back to the main settings, go to general, scroll all the way down to transfer and reset iPhone, click on erase all content, and then you're going to go ahead and reset this iPhone with the new update. Of course, that just happened, so it will keep that new software update, and then you are going to go ahead and set it up this time again, and this time around you will not have the issue. This is going to be the workaround on fixing the bugs fix that may be causing your iPhone 17 Pro Max to be stuck on that setup screen, and that's how you are going to do that. So guys, that is it in this particular video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix your iPhone where the touch is not working. So you have no touch on your iPhone 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone that you have with all the screen like this. You are going to follow this one quick process to fix it. What you are going to do is to locate the volume up, volume down button, and then this big side button. So we are going to quickly press and release the volume up, volume down, and then hold on to this side button just like that. Just keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and you see the Apple logo, and then you let go. And that should go ahead and fix the touch screen, whether it is unresponsive, frozen, stuck. It's going to be the quickest way to go ahead and fix it. This method will not delete any of your personal data, so all the photos, videos, apps will be safe on your phone. And if it does not work for the very first time, keep on trying it. You can do it as many times as you need to without having to worry about the data being lost. After doing that, your touch should work, and if you are having no touch problem on your iPhone, again do this method, because this is the simplest method and very effective troubleshooting step when it comes to fixing any iPhone iOS software related issue. Hopefully, following these steps, you should be able to fix your issue. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showcasing you how to fix the focus issue on your camera for the iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or any other iPhone that you have. So let's get started. Now there are multiple things you can do to fix the issue. The first thing which I would recommend, that if you have a case on your iPhone, removing the case that can interfere with the front camera or the back camera. Sometimes those cases have a cover or they get in a way where they mess with the actual focus. Now, along with that, make sure your lens are clean. So take a microfiber cloth like that, wipe them down. Over time, there could be buildup of oil, dust, debris that could also interfere with the zoom and the focus. Here, you want to make sure they are cleaned. Do same with the front one as well. If you are having issue, just simply wipe it. You don't have to do too much. Just take a simple microfiber cloth and wipe it down. Now, after you have done that, the next thing you want to ensure is that if you have put on a new tempered glass, especially if it's for the front one or the screen protector, make sure that isn't causing the front camera to not focus. Same with the back camera. If you have put on the camera cover lens, then I would recommend that removing them, as they can interfere with the focus as well. Now, the next tip is going to be actually utilizing the camera app itself. So when it comes to focusing, you always wanted to tap on the area that you are looking to focus. When you do that, it helps the camera focus on the object. Here, if you just happen to do it all over by default, it could also go ahead and not focus. Now, along with that, the next thing which is going to be checking these two setting outs. So in your settings on your iPhone, go over to the camera, and from here scroll down where you have these two settings. First one is the lens correction. By default, this is turned on to correct the lens distortion. So I would recommend that turning off and then check if the camera focus is better. Another setting you can turn off is that macro control. Again, this will be switching your ultra wide camera to do a macro, which can activate the different lenses, causing it not to focus correctly. So go ahead and try that one, and then the combination where you have one of them is on and the other one is off, and see which one works better for you in terms of the focus. Now, along with that, if still having an issue, it's time to go ahead, close out the camera app like that, and that will close the phone camera. Now, when you reopen it again, it will have a fresh start and maybe your focus will be correct. Now, if the problem is still there, then go ahead and do this process. We are going to quickly press and release the volume up, and then quickly press and release the volume down button, and then hold on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. So I will be doing volume up, volume down, and then I hold on to the side button just like that. And you keep on holding that side button until the screen goes completely black and the Apple logo appears. This is known as force restart, which basically shut it down and the phone software reloads the code. And once you see the Apple logo, you will let go the side button. This method is safe, will not delete any of your data. From time to time, you want to do this in order to fix any issues you are having on your phone in software. So once you are back, and if you are still having the issue, go into your settings, go to journal, software update, and check if there is an update out here. And if there is any update, you go ahead and update your phone to the latest version. The reason is simple, that previous update might have caused an issue with the focus, and the new update will help you out in order to fix that issue as well. So updating to the latest software will fix this bug. And yo guys, these are the simple steps which you can follow to fix the camera focus issue on your iPhone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace. If you have, hey, what's up guys, in this video I will be showcasing you how to fix the Face ID which is not working on your iPhone 17 series or any other iPhone. Now the first thing which you want to do is to ensure that your camera is working. You can open up your camera app and just turn on the front facing camera, and if it is working, then your camera is going to be looking great. But if it is going to be black, then there is a concern and you should follow the second step. After that, close the camera app, and the next thing which you want to do is to go ahead and restart your phone by pressing the volume up, volume down, and then holding on to the side button. So I'm going to be pressing the volume up, volume down, and I'm going to be going ahead and holding on to the side button. Make sure you press the volume up followed by the volume down quickly and hold them on to the side button until the screen goes completely black and we see the Apple logo. So I'm going to wait until the Apple logo is going to be appearing on, and that's basically shutting down the phone software and reloading the code. It's an important step to do. The code can sometimes be glitchy or not working the way it should. And of course, restarting always helps. It will reset the device, and this method again will not delete any of your personal data. After restarting, you are going to be prompted to enter your passcode. Go ahead and enter that. And now if it's still not working, you go into your settings of your iPhone, and then from there on you want to go ahead into your screen time option. There you will find out a content restriction option. If it's allowed here, we need to disable that. It could be interfering the actual Face ID. So turning it off will actually going to help you. You can always turn it back on when you need it. Once you turn that off and see if your Face ID is working or not. Now if your Face ID is not working, then move to the next troubleshooting step. Go into your Face ID setting itself and enter your phone passcode, and you should notice a couple of things here. You will see that you have already registered with a Face ID. You can do that to reset the Face ID. That should delete the previous Face ID. Now after resetting that, it just delete the old Face ID and it should say setup here. Go ahead and set it up and hit that setup option. Of course, you will follow the things that you set up the Face ID, which is going to reset it, and hopefully after doing that, it will work for you. Now, once you have done that, if your Face ID is still not working, then the next thing to do is to make sure that your phone is up to date. Now, in order to update your device, go into your settings, then general, and then software update. And here you will find out if there is any new update or not. Right now, there is an update available. So you just need to update that because it will fix these issues. Hopefully after doing that, it will work for you. Other advices that I recommend is that if you recently put a screen protector, sometimes they can get in the way. So make sure the screen protector isn't getting in the way. Take a clean cloth and ensure that the area between the camera and the sensor is going to be clean, because sometimes the dust is going to be on that area, which can cause the sensor to not work properly. So guys, these are all the settings you need to do to ensure the Face ID is going to be working. I hope this video has helped you out in some way. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe because some amazing content is planned for next year and this year. Thanks for watching. Peace.